Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. On a sheet, start drawing this. After drawing this, you have to color it with the brown color, and after coloring it with the brown color, you can simply draw the branches and take a net like this and dip it into the watercolor and start spreading it across the sheet. Your tree will be ready within few easy steps along with these leafy patterns that will look really great on it. Take a leaf and draw this outline of this leaf. After drawing it, you have to make these houses inside it, and your imprint of Q-tip will be ready, which will give it a tree look, and your drawing will be ready by just following these easy steps. Take these leaves and cut another pair of leaves into this shape. After doing so, you have to make this boy along with his legs and his face or hairs like this. Make a blush on his face and see how blissfully this boy is listening music. Take top of this vegetable and start cutting it. After cutting it, make a bouquet out of this. Well, yes, this bouquet will give a complete aesthetic look within just few very easy steps. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.